Notion and Jira both help teams stay organized, but they're built for very different things. In this video, we're comparing Jira and Notion in this year, and if you're managing complex product or development work, Jira is the better long-term solution. I'll break it down, and you'll find links to both tools in the description. So Notion is incredibly flexible. You can build pages, databases, Kanban boards, wikis, you name it. But with that freedom comes a lack of structure. It's not purpose-built for development teams, which means you'll spend a lot of time building processes from scratch. Jira, on the other hand, is made for software and product development. It supports Agile out of the box, with sprints, epics, burn-down charts, issue tracking, and advanced automation. Notion works well for small teams or general productivity, but as you scale, it becomes harder to manage dependencies, workflows, and roles. Jira is designed to scale. You get permissions, integrations with Git, CI/CD tools, roadmaps, and even save support. Whether you're a startup or a global enterprise, Jira has the infrastructure to handle it. Notion is excellent for documentation and collaboration, and when paired with Jira, it can be a great companion. But if you're choosing just one for managing development, Jira's depth and structure are far superior. It also connects tightly with Confluence for documentation, a Bitbucket for code, and Trello for light task management, all in the Atlassian ecosystem. So if you're managing notes and lightweight projects, Notion is a great tool, but for real product development, sprint planning, and agile tracking, Jira is a clear winner. Check out both tools using the links below and choose what fits your team's workflow. Guys, also don't forget to press thumbs up on the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you soon.